I have a CSV list that I just uploaded to Claude, and I walked away with 48 verified emails and 53 verified phone numbers, all done for me at the same time, while most sales reps are still looking for these numbers one by one. The problem that most people run into is they've got a list that maybe came from a CRM, a previous sales rep that you're taking over for, or maybe even a list that you've built yourself, but all you have are names and company. And manually hunting down the number for every single person, even if it's a list of only 10 people, takes the better part of an hour. And we all know that any time not spent on phone calls and closing deals is money and time lost. Manually hunting down the contact info for even 10 people, it's not scalable. Now, while there are tools that automate this, those are realistically priced for enterprise teams. But you can actually upload a CSV directly into Claude Chat, have it verify emails and phone numbers all in one shot, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In order to do this, you just need two things: a Claude account and a Scalelist account. Scalelist is the #1 email and phone number finding tool. Just go to the scalelist.com website to create an account and get a free number of credits to get started. Now, once you're logged into the Scalelist dashboard, on the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and then here we'll click on the blue button on the top right-hand side that says New Key, and we'll get a pop-up that says API Key Created, hit OK. Now, what allows Claude to be able to find these phone numbers and emails for us is the MCP. Basically, Claude is like a giant brain, but with no hands. It can think and provide you with answers, but it can't actually execute any tasks or do things for you. By connecting the Scalelist MCP, in essence, we're giving Claude hands to be able to go and find phone numbers and emails for us. Once the API key is created, let's go over back to Claude and we'll put that back in. Okay, now from Claude, we're going to go to the left-hand panel and click Customize and select Connectors. Now here in the second panel, we can see all of the connectors that we've already allowed Claude access to. We're going to click on this plus button on the top where it says Add Connector and select Add Custom Connector. Now let's go ahead and name this one Scalelist, and you can find the MCP URL on the screen as well as in the description below. I'm just going to go ahead and paste this in. This MCP URL is going to be the same for everybody. The differentiator is going to be your API key that you created inside of your Scalelist web app. So now let's go over to our Scalelist account and copy that really quickly. Okay, now let's just make sure that this is the one that we created today. And we'll go ahead and hit copy. And you'll get a pop-up that says API key copied. Go ahead and click OK. Now for your API key, you do want to make sure to keep this private. Essentially, by giving your API key to anybody, it's the equivalent to handing somebody your wallet. So just make sure to keep this private and secure. And now I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my API key and hit add. Now, once that's all finished, you should see Scalelist pop up on the list of connectors. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all the tools that Claude has access to. Now, on the far right of the screen, you see a drop-down menu that says Needs Approval. Go ahead and click on that really quickly. Now, it's up to you in terms of the permissions that you want to allow Claude at any given time. For me, I want to leave this as always allow. This way, anytime that I ask Claude to find a phone number or email or to enrich a list for me, it doesn't need to ask me for approvals every single time. I've already given it the go-ahead to use the Scalelist MCP anytime that I need it. So I'm going to go ahead and click always allow. And then let's go back to the previous page and close our panel on the left-hand side. And let's just ask really quickly and check to make sure, are you connected to my Scalelist MCP? Okay, and fantastic. It has come back and said, yes, it is connected and has provided me with the same list of tools that it showed me on the connectors page, all of the tools that it has access to using. We can either find and verify phone numbers or emails individually with single lookup. We can do bulk email enrichment, bulk phone enrichment, or I can find emails by company domain. Now today, I want to do bulk enrichment for both phone and email at the same time. So I'm going to share my CSV file with Claude. In order to do that, I can either click on the plus button and I can choose to either add files or photos directly from my computer, or I can simply just drag and drop, which is what I'm going to do today. Now I have a CSV file of approximately 56 people who are heads of marketing or sales within F&B in the Chicago area. And I want to show you really quickly what that spreadsheet looks like. Okay, now here you can see my list. I have columns for first name, last name, job title, company, industry, company size, city, and then the company website. Now, in order for Claude to be able to find either phone numbers or emails, you do need to make sure that your CSV file has columns for at least first name, last name, company website, or company name. So this is the list that I'm starting off with. As you can see, if we scroll down, I have 57 rows. That's including my header row as well with first name, last name, etc. So this is the file that I'm going to be giving Claude. So I've already dropped the CSV into my Claude chat, and I'm asking Claude, find phone numbers and emails for me for all of these contacts, put all of the data into a spreadsheet, create new columns for email, email status, which is valid, risky, or not found, phone number, and phone number status, either found or not found. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And because I am looking looking for the phone numbers and emails for 56 individuals. It's going to take Claude a little bit of time to run all of that. Every email found costs 1 credit, and no credits are charged if an email is not found. Verification of the email is included in the cost of the credit, and verification just means whether an email is found valid or risky. Valid means that the email has been found and is confirmed deliverable. Risky means that the email has been found, but it's unsure whether or not it's deliverable, so it's really up to you to decide whether or not you still want to use it. For every phone number that's found costs 20 credits. Also, of course, no credits are charged for phone numbers that are not found. Now I'm going to give Claude some time to run, and we'll come right back once it's all finished. All right, and it's all finished. I timed Claude actually, and it took literally only 2.5 minutes to find all of the phone numbers and emails for all 56 of my leads. And Claude has come back and found a total of 48 emails, 40 of which are valid, 8 are risky, and then 8 are not found. And phone numbers, it has found 53 of the 56 contacts, which are really great numbers. Now let me just scroll through my spreadsheet on the right and just double check all of my columns. First name, last name, job title, company, and then company website are the most important for me. And then of course we have email status, phone number, and phone status. And Claude has filled everything out. And I do still have all 57 rows in total, just making sure that nothing was left out. And Claude has put all of the risky and not found emails at the bottom. We can see at the top that this has been saved as an Excel file. I can either choose to download this file as it is, I can push it to my Google Drive, or I can even ask Claude to convert this into a CSV file for me and then just push it to my CRM directly from Claude. It really is that simple, and if you want to try it for yourself, just go to the Scalelist.com website to create an account and get started. It's free to try, and you saw how we set up the MCP. You can be connected to Claude in just about 2 minutes. Link is in the description below for the free trial, as well as the Scalelist MCP URL. And then next, if you're ready to learn how to use Claude to build your leads list completely from scratch and enrich those lists with emails, then make sure to check out this video next. Let me know in the comments how it goes, and now it's your turn. Have fun and scale smarter, not harder.